Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have decided to declutter and tidy up my car. I'm not going to give it a thorough deep clean, but I think I will vacuum it out, and there are just some things that are hanging around my car that I think I don't need anymore. I just haven't looked at it in quite a while. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of minimalism and motherhood videos, so I'd love you to click that red subscribe button below if that is what you're interested in doing, and I post videos weekly. Alright, so I'm going to take you guys out to the car and show you what is in there. Alright, so here's the inside of my car boot, and as you can see it's not terribly full. I've got a hat there. I think behind the stroller there's some umbrellas, got a picnic blanket, I've got some Aldi bags, I think there's one of my son's beach towels there, or swim towels. You can just hear the garbage trucks in the background because it's garbage pickup day today. I've just got some plastic bags in the passenger door there. I've got some stuff in the console here which I need to go through. Nothing in the driver's door, and I've got some stuff in the glove box as well. Okay, let's open up the glove box. So not a heap in here. We've got the car manual, some extra things for the car seats, my sunglasses and some odd things, but I'll pull that all out and we'll get a better look when we go inside. I'll pull it all out and have a look inside. And this is the back of my car, so I don't keep anything in the back. Basically, I try not to let my kids eat food, so there's a bit of odd crumbs from when they've been eating and then get in the car, and then there's also like the sand and normal dirt. What I'm going to do is bring it all inside and sort through it and organize. Alright, so here is everything that I've dragged out of the boot of my car, and here is everything that was in the front of my car. Alright, so I'm going to go through what was in the boot of my car first because that's the bigger amount of stuff, and I can already see there is a stray sock from my daughter, and I'll put that in the laundry hamper. I'm pretty sure I was missing a sock and I couldn't find it, and that is where it was. In the boot of my car. Son's umbrella, my umbrella. Actually, I'll show you this umbrella. I love this umbrella. I love Audrey Hepburn. I love all the classic movies and movie stars, and I actually went through a bit of period where I was obsessed with this kind of stuff. I still use that. It's just handy to have a brolly in the car. And then I've also got this travel one as well, which is really handy. My friend Kate, I think, used one of my umbrellas when we went to the Sydney YouTube Mums meetup and it was raining, and we each took an umbrella, so they are handy to have. Got my big floppy sun hat, which I keep in the car in case I ever decide to stop off without any notice at a park on the way home and it's really sunny, so I always like to have a hat, and I always have hats for my kids in their bags as well. This is a spare beach towel, and I don't really need this in the car, so it's probably a bit dusty and dirty, so I'm going to put that in the wash. I've got 2 fold-up picnic blankets. I really only need 1 in the car, so I'm going to choose the cleaner of the 2 and leave that in my car. Their t-shirt for my son, which I usually have spare clothes for him in my backpack anyway, where I keep my daughter's spare clothes, so I don't need that in the car anymore. Nappy bag, spare wipes, which I don't know if these are still, oh yeah, they're still okay because I've got the seal over them. So. And that is a nappy change mat, disposable one. So these wipes are all dried out because they came open, so I'm going to toss those. 2 spare nappies, and I can't really tell if these are actually the current size my daughter are wearing or not. They kind of look like they are, but it's hard to tell, so I'm going to check that, and if they're not the right size I'm going to donate those and just replace them with the size that she's wearing now. So I don't need 2 like nappy change bags, so I'm going to keep this one. And this is actually packing cube from Kathmandu, the outdoor store, and I really like these because I use them for packing clothes in my suitcase, And also I use this as like a portable sort of change bag that I keep in the car just in case I haven't got anything with me, or I haven't taken the nappy bag with me, because sometimes if I just make like a really quick trip out to the shops, I might not bother taking my daughter's nappy bag. So it's always good just to have some spare stuff in the car just in case I need it. And this is really good because you can just grab it and go. And I like that it's got this little loop on it, so you can also hook it on the back of a door. Very handy when you're traveling on a plane, because I've got the little hooks in the back of the inside of the toilet doors on planes, so you can just hook it up, and that way you don't have to like put it on the vanity or on the floor anywhere like dirty or germy when you're changing your baby in the airplane toilet. That is also a nappy change mat, but that one looks like it's been used. It's probably a bit dirty, so I'll put that one there because that's new. Nappy bag's back in there, wipes back in there, and I'm just going to check the nappies. Ton of Aldi shopping bags, and I probably don't need that many. Definitely going to keep these ones, they're a bit tougher and you can put more in them. I've also got these produce bags, so these are a set of reusable produce bags that I bought from Spotlight. And I think you can get them online at various places as well. If I find something similar online, I'll link that down below for you in the description. But this just saves me from using plastic bags when I pick out my fruit and veg at the supermarket. Okay guys, so I've just counted up how many of these really big reusable Aldi shopping bags that I have, and I've got 10 of these, and I don't think I've ever used 10 of these in one shopping trip. I've culled it down to 5 of these plastic bags and 2 of these with my produce bags as well, so I think that'll be plenty. Okay, so now to all the jumbo of stuff that was in the front of my car, mainly in the glove box. But I had 2 plastic bags, 2 spare plastic bags like for rubbish and stuff. Got my trusty sunglasses. And would you believe I've had these sunglasses, these are perfect because they just stay in the car. These are my driving sunglasses that I've had for over 10 years. I bought them in late 2007, and I just keep them in the car because I want like really good quality sunglasses to just shade the glare and the light out of my eyes when I'm driving. I've got this thing, and I have a feeling that it was like an extra attachment to a baby mirror that I used to have in my car that I gave away, and so I don't need that. These are instructions for how to install my e-tag on my windscreen. It's been on my windscreen since I bought the car 9 years ago, so clearly I don't need the instructions anymore. What to do after a car crash, it's got like what details you need and that kind of thing. And I'm just thinking there's like a place to write, you know, details of like the other driver and their registration number and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to keep that in the glove box because I think that will be quite useful, and I'm going to put a pen in the car as well. These are from my son's car seat. I'm going to just store those away. These are from my daughter's car seat. So tissues, it's always good to have a pack of tissues, but I don't need 1 and 2 half empty ones, so I'll just put this one back. Rubbish, and what is this? Surface cleaner for adhesive tape. I don't know what that came with, but I'm not going to use it, so it's going. A CSI glove, that's what Nigella calls these latex gloves, CSI gloves. I did have pens in my glove box. I've got 2 of them, and I don't know if they work, so I'm just going to test them out now. That one works. That one does not, so that one's staying. I've got my trusty TomTom GPS, so that can go back in the car. 2 obviously expired bottles of hand sanitizer, and I always carry hand sanitizer in my bag anyway, so I don't need to put any more in the car. A microfiber cloth to wipe the inside of my windscreen if it just gets like a bit misted on the inside, so I will keep that because it's always handy to have a cloth in the car. I'm probably showing my age now. This is a compact street map. Yes, in 2002 we did not have smartphones or Google Maps on our smartphones, and I did not have a GPS in my car. It's even got the Sydney train network map on the back. But I'm not going to use this anymore, so I am going to just give it away or donate it or something. So here's what's in my glove box. It looks a lot better, and then the boot is looking heaps tidier. As you can see, a lot more space and a lot cleaner. I've got my pram in there. That is the Mountain Buggy Nano Pram. I'll link that for you below if you're interested in that pram. What I've done, I had the umbrellas right at the back behind my pram before, and it was just really hard to get them out of the car in a hurry when it was raining, so I've just put them right here in front of the pram so that I can easily reach them when I'm in a hurry and it's pouring down with rain. Here I've got the picnic blanket, the first aid kit, my hat. Right at the back is the spare change stuff, my baby's nappy and stuff, and all of my Aldi shopping bags. Yeah, so that is it. Heaps better. If you're interested in looking at more of my decluttering and organising videos, I'll leave a link over here for you, so go and click on that and check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!